The King Arthur myth is a legendary tale of a medieval king associated with the Knights of the Round Table, Excalibur, and the quest for the Holy Grail. The story is rooted in Welsh and Celtic mythology and became popularized through the works of Geoffrey of Monmouth and Sir Thomas Maelai in the 12th and 15th centuries, respectively. The King Arthur legend is believed to have originated in the 5th or 6th century and is intertwined with Celtic mythology and folklore. The earliest accounts of King Arthur can be found in Welsh and Breton literature, depicting him as a heroic figure who led the defense of Britain against Saxon invaders. Over time, the legend of King Arthur evolved, incorporating elements of chivalry, romance, and the quest for the Holy Grail. It became a prominent part of English medieval literature, with authors like Geoffrey of Monmouth and Thomas Maelai popularizing the tales of King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table. Exploring historical texts and literary sources related to King Arthur in English language and script. Archaeologists have been uncovering archaeological sites linked to King Arthur's era, shedding light on the legendary figure and his historical context. Examining artifacts and relics that could be connected to King Arthur can provide valuable insights into the historical figure and the legends surrounding him. These artifacts may include swords, armor, and other objects that are believed to have belonged to King Arthur or his knights. By studying these relics, historians and archaeologists can piece together a clearer picture of the time period in which King Arthur may have lived and the events that inspired the Arthurian legends. Exploring the mysteries of medieval castles and fortifications linked to the legendary King Arthur. Recent archaeological discoveries have shed new light on the King Arthur myth, challenging previously held beliefs and adding depth to the legendary tale. These findings have the potential to reshape our understanding of the historical and cultural context in which the myth emerged. The ongoing debates and controversies surrounding King Arthur's historicity continue to captivate scholars and enthusiasts alike, with various theories and evidence being presented on both sides.